Hey guys, it's Erin. For this first design, I'm starting off by painting my nails silver. Since I'm going to be using a sticky item on top of this base color to create the design, I want my base to be completely dry, so I'm applying a layer of quick drying top coat, that way the base color doesn't peel off when I use the sticky item. The first sticky item you can use to create nail art is these little reinforcement stickers that you can use on binder hole punches. You can find them at any office supply store or online. I'm applying this sticker right at the cuticle of my nail to create an easy half moon shaped nail art. Place the sticker down firmly on your nail and then paint over it with another contrasting color. While the nail polish is still wet, peel off the sticker and there you have easy half moon nails. For this next design, I'm going to be painting my nail with a nice rich blue. And again, applying a layer of top coat to make sure that base is completely dry before I use anything else. Then I'm taking just regular Scotch tape and now that my base is completely dry, I'm placing a piece of that tape diagonally across my nail. Take a matte top coat and paint on the part of your nail that is not covered by the tape. While the matte top coat is still wet, gently peel off the tape. As the matte dries down, you'll be left with this really cool half matte, half glossy look. For this design, I'm painting my nail purple. Then I'm going to be using striping tape. Which is a really great item you can use as a sticker to either create nail art or add to your nail polish for a little additional sparkle. Here I'm taking gold striping tape and applying them in a kind of diagonal firework pattern to create a really cool metallic look. Just use tweezers to place the tape where you want them on your nail and then trim off any excess using manicure scissors. Then the most important part is to seal in the striping tape with a glossy and quick drying top coat to make sure that these stickers stay put. And for this next design, I'm going to be using a milky jelly polish for my base. Once it's completely dry, I'm taking some silver striping tape and again using these to add a little bit of an accent to my nail. I'm using my tweezers to place them horizontally across the bottom of my nail, and I decided to do two parallel lines pretty close to each other. Make sure the striping tape is pressed down firmly and seal in with the top coat. Now for this one, I'm applying a sheer nude base. And this next sticky item nail art is a really simple hack for creating French tip nail art if you're not good at painting a freehand white French tip. As always, before I do anything sticky over the top, I'm applying a layer of my quick drying top coat and letting that dry completely. Then just take some regular bandages and make sure these are the ones that have a kind of rounded end. What you want to do is take the ends of the bandage where it's kind of rounded, it ends up being the perfect French tip shape, and placing that right down onto your nail where the white part of your nail starts. Paint over that with a white nail polish. And while the polish is still wet, peel off that band-aid. Finish with the top coat and now you have French tip nails with no special tools needed. For my next design, I'm painting my nail white. And then applying my top coat. And once my white base is completely dry, I'm taking another piece of Scotch tape and placing it vertically along my nail. This look is all about color blocking, so I just want to create some straight lines with the tape and then paint over it with some fun colors. And peeling off the tape while the polish is still wet. Once my first color block is done, I'm painting on a coat of a quick drying top coat, letting that dry completely, and then I'm going to go back in with a new piece of tape and a new color. I wanted a block of color at the bottom of my nail, so I'm applying the tape here and then painting over it with a nice purple. And again, just peeling off that tape while the purple is still wet. Finally, once you're happy with your color blocking look, seal in everything with another coat of top coat. For this design, I'm painting my nail with a metallic gold base and applying a layer of top coat. Then I'm going to be using striping tape again, but this time I'm using it as a vinyl. Using my tweezers, I'm placing the tape down to form 3 chevrons on my nail. Once I feel good about the shape I've created with my tape, I'm going in with some other nail polish colors to create the chevron pattern. I'm starting out by filling out the section at the top with white. Then I'm going to be going in with a light purple. And now that I've done these 2 blocks of color, I can peel off the tape towards the top. And finally, painting the section at the bottom with the darkest purple and then peeling off that striping tape. So there you have a really cool chevron design using striping tape, and it just goes to show how multifunctional it can be. Now for this design, I'm painting my nail with a bubblegum pink. And as always, I want my base to be super dry, so applying a quick drying top coat. And I'm going to be taking Scotch tape again, and instead of using fancy nail stencils, I'm going to create my own nail stencil just using tape. I want to make a little heart, so just like when you cut out a heart on a piece of paper, I'm folding the tape in half and then using tiny scissors to cut out a heart shape. Once I've cut the shape, I'm peeling the tape back apart. And there you have your little stencil. Place the tape down firmly on your dry nail. And then I'm going to be painting over it using one of my favorite glitter nail polishes. Peel off the tape while the glitter polish on top is still wet. And then you're left with a super cute glitter heart. As always, finish your design with top coat. For this sticky nail art design, I'm taking the binder ring protectors again. And now I'm going to show you how you can use these stickers as a French tip stencil. Just place the sticker down firmly on your nail and then paint over it. I'm using my metallic gold again. And then gently peel off the sticker. Now that I have a gold French tip, I'm taking that same sticker and putting it at the cuticle of my nail. And I'm using it again to create a gold half moon to complement the French tip. It's a really cool, chic look, and all you need is a little binder sticker. And for this last design, I'm taking some Scotch tape again, placing it diagonally over the tip of my nail, and I'm going to be creating a kind of crisscross French tip variation. So I'm peeling off my first piece of tape, and once it's dry, applying a layer of quick drying top coat to make sure I don't peel off the base. And then once everything is completely dry again, I'm taking another piece of tape and placing it the other diagonal direction across the end of my nail. Now I'm picking another contrasting color and painting that section of my nail. Peeling off my tape again, and there is my really fun and angular French tip design. As always, apply a layer of top coat to finish your nail art. And there you have all 10 nail art designs using sticky items. We really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more from cutepolish, you can click the boxes here, or click the circle here to subscribe to cutepolish for a new video every week. You can also click the circle here to subscribe to my personal nail art channel.